All right, well, we got a new boat and we're trying to figure out this whole bass fishing thing. So we've been fishing a little bit, getting a little better. Still kind of not very good at it, but yesterday I caught a nice, probably personal best, 3-4 pound bass, which is pretty sweet. We're out before work this morning. Hopefully we can catch a couple. Phil's attempting to catch his first. He's got to pop his boat cherry.
Got one. Nice. Knew I felt that.
Oh, that's a good one too. Felt like a tap?
Yep. Felt like 2 taps.
Yeah, that's...
And then I was like, hey, that's a fish. So I waited a second, there was another tap, and there it was.
Phil popped his boat cherry.
A pretty nice one, too.
Before work. Finally decided to catch a fish in the boat.
Yeah, I'll take that. That's over a pound. Right. Well, we got to find all the spots like this on the lake. That's the only way to know what you're doing.
All right, getting a smidge more confidence.
There we go.
Looks like you got the ticket.
I think I bounced it over a weed and he tapped it. That's a good jump. Your GoPro?
Yep. Phil has now caught 2 fish out of the, well, say that right about the time he loses his boat. That's a good one too. See if I can catch another one out of your spot.
Not as good. That barely happened. Can I get a picture of that one? Is that the same fish?
Unfortunately, the work alarm came a little faster than we wanted, as it always does. Remember, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, and click right here to see more of our videos. Thanks for watching.